Hello and congratulations. You've got free access to Mish's Daily. This is Jeff Mish, president of MarketGauge.com. And in this short video, I'm going to show you the 8 different sections of this daily newsletter that we put out for free to try and ensure that our readers get market insight that you can profit from every day. Our goal with this newsletter is to improve your trading through a better understanding of current market conditions and by providing actionable trading ideas. Now, there's a couple ways you might have come upon Mish's Daily. You may be new to the Market Gauge community, or every once in a while we'll send this out to make sure that you're taking advantage of, like I said, 8 different ways that this daily newsletter will help your trading. First of all, let's make sure that you recognize it in your inbox every day. Every day we try to consistently put Mish's Daily in the beginning of the subject, so you'll be able to identify it really easily. Now, you happen to be looking at one in my Gmail, and an easy way to make sure that you receive it each day is to hover over the contact name, Market Gauge, and then click Add to Contacts. Now, let's dig into what you actually get here. As I said, there's 8 different sections. Let's start with the main one. The main one is Mish's commentary. So each day, Mish has 2 sections of commentary. The one you'll see right in the newsletter, which focuses on a unique and interesting analysis of the health and trends of the market. You'll learn to anticipate the market's next move through an understanding of patterns and relationships between different indexes and sectors, and she does it in an entertaining, easy-to-read way. At the bottom of Mish's commentary, you'll see a link to more. When you click on that link to more, you'll get a quick analysis of up to 20 different ETFs with key areas to watch. These are actionable trading areas. Not only does she point out which price levels that she'd be focused on, but she keeps you in touch with the most important ETFs at the time in the market. Mish has over 30 years of trading experience, so you're sure to pick up on all different ways that you could improve your trading. Now, along the outside of the commentary, we have 3 different sections. The top section is typically a link to a weekly newsletter that Keith Schneider, CEO of Market Gauge, puts out with over 35 years of trading experience. Keith keeps you up to date with important newsworthy events of the week, but also presents it in a fun to read way with a perspective that always leads back to the markets. Additionally, you'll see a video that will give you in-depth coverage of market internals such as advanced decline data, volatility, interest rates, and more to help you know which way to expect the market to go the next week. In the second section, you'll find a link to our Trades and Tutorials blog. Here, you'll find actionable trading instruction and ideas. Topics range from a focus on a specific trade idea to a general call on market direction. The third section of the sidebar is another educational link. This will take you into, again, our blog and give you a concise article with trades or tactics to look at the market like a professional. Next, when you scroll to the bottom of the page, we've got 3 more sections. The first section here takes you to our little big view portion of the website, and more specifically, we'll take you to our market overview section where you'll see unique analysis on the indexes in terms of volume, accumulation, and distribution patterns. This is a unique way to be able to see the strength or weakness in any market trend. In the middle section, we'll take you directly to the sector summary portion of the little big view. Every day we update the leading sectors so that you know which sectors are moving the markets, which ones are dragging them down, in addition to providing you specific sectors that we scan for to identify trading opportunities. And finally, in the lower right-hand corner, you'll always find a free resource. Right now, it happens to be a free ebook, but this changes regularly. All of this is intended, as I've said, to make your trading easier, more professional, and help you identify trading opportunities you can take advantage of right now. Finally, if you want to follow us on Twitter, we've got 2 different ways that you can do that. You can follow us at MarketGauge and at MarketMinute. And of course, if this isn't for you, please just let us know. You can stop receiving it by clicking right here. In addition, you can manage your specific email subscriptions by clicking on this link at the bottom. Thank you again for finding Market Gauge or being a member of our Market Gauge community. We look forward to helping you become a more profitable trader. through this free resource and many of the other resources you'll find at marketgauge.com. Now, if you're not already receiving Mish's Daily, all you have to do is go to marketgauge.com/daily, and we'll immediately send you an email with the links to all these free resources, as well as make sure you receive Mish's Daily going forward. Thank you again for finding Market Gauge.